Hi, good day. This is Kent Lau. Today we'll show you how to create a Pareto chart using Pareto. And the way to do that is really we need a data set, and the process we observe. These are fictitious data, right? So each process is being observed. There are about 100 points right here. So we can have more. Now, let's take a look how to create that. First, put your data in the data set and go into the Insert, Pivot Table, as insert into a new worksheet there. Right? And then we will select the waiting time. Well, there's a count of hundreds. That makes no difference. And now we have a grouping, right? There it was original without grouping. It was like this, right? So how do we group it? By go to Analyze, click Group Selections, and we say that from 0.4 to 11.1, right? So but that's just not really good in counting, so let's just put that 0 to 12 for, so we have altogether 12 category. So 0 to 1 we have 2 data point, right? So with this we can create a histogram. So go to the select the pivot table, and then go to pivot chart under analyze pivot chart, and there we can click on this. We can click on histogram, but you say you can't create this type using data point, so we can't, right? So we go for the column chart. So basically this is chart, but we can also do a sorting, but this can be a histogram, right? For every bins, right? How many times appear, right? So those customer waiting from 0 to 1, right, has about 2 items right here, right? Those customer waiting 4.5 has these, right? But which process really have gone to that, right? We can select this process going to these, right? And we take a look at that, or we drag the call observe over here, right? Or you drag here. I will take a look at, okay, right? Those who are between 8 to 4 is really that process A that takes a lot of time. Um, the rest are not. So we can take a look at this process A particularly have a lot of process A is really take a lot of time. You can see that every times, right? So now we can also drag the process to the filters, and we drag it to select process A, and that's great, right? Maybe we'll go for process B. Now this filter in Excel, right, we have a new feature which is called the slicer. Select analyze into slicers, select process, click OK, and we can do the same. You can see that it is really the same, right? So process X, right, takes about 4.5, right? These are the whole, and we can also further do sorting, largest to smallest. Okay, so the order become important. All right, 5 to 6 process B. So we can take a look at that, and that's is how to create a histogram. Next, we can also drag the waiting area. So here again, one more time. But why do we do that, right? Because we're now creating a Pareto chart. So right click here, choose show value as, and go for percentages running total in. Percentages running total in, and click on this. And they are about there, right? We'll just select right click here, choose the chart series type to align chart. You wanna chart. This is a secondary axis. And stack line chart, right? Line chart, right? And click OK. All right. So this is Pareto chart then, right? As we can see here as well, right? So hundreds and so on. So the cumulative reference right will always be 100%. So we can further do that by right clicking from the axis, make it to just one, and that's about it. Okay. So when you reach about 80%, right? These are the four. These are the things, right? That really takes a lot of time. Takes a lot. I'm not the expert of this quality management, so what I want to show my intention is really just to show you how to create histograms in Excel using pivot table, and how to make use of the slicers, and how do you adjust the legend. Right, this is the legend, so we can the right click the legend, right click format legend. Right here we go for the bottom, and yes, so there you are. Thanks for watching.